Hello everybody, and today I'm here to talk about Android Studio. As this is the first video of Android Studio, so let me talk also the very important topic that is in today we are discussing is live templates. Actually, it is a dynamic code completion. It analyzes your scenario, what are the best thing that going to be fit, and everything that is related to your class name, context, variable name, and everything that it analyze that, recognize that, and then insert the best code that is possible for that current scenario. And once when you get in practice with the live template, you will really be a fan of live template, because you will use this in your everyday scenario and it will really help you out in code. Rather you are just make some kind of any app, you just have to think of that logic. You don't have to think for the boilerplate code that you need to write in every time and every day. So the topic which we are covering today is, first we will use the current live template that is available in Android, and then we will create our own live templates, and in that current live templates we will also modify the current one to the best scenario so that it can suit us. So let's jump into the code. So the first thing live template that I'm going to discuss here is about the logs. We every time in every Android application or in any application around the world, we use the log just to see what kind of value is coming, what are the things, and the variable is getting initialized correctly and all and everything that. So the first thing that we need to create, we create a tag in our log so that we can make a diff after that, after running the program, that what are the particular things get, and mostly the developer used to associate with their class name. So what live templates will help here is, so you just have to type log t and just press enter, and you can press tab to just get out of this particular red mark. And you can see it's already make a tag of that particular, it just in just 4 words I had written around more than six words here, and it has created a tag in this. So just let me, I want to tag that I had started a my activity on create is called. So just press log d and just enter. It will take the tag, it will insert the method name, and also here is a, so just let me write on create is being called, and just press the tab to get out of this red mark. And you can see it in a just ease of time I had created the tag, and I had also passed the tag. So the main magic is here. Just see the below method, it is a method that return string, and it has a name of full name concat, and it accept two string for the first name and one for the last name. So if I want to check what the first name are coming and what the last name are coming, so there is a lot of thing that I will need, like I will add and concat first name last name and then make a diff. So there is a shortcut for that. Just press log m and enter. It will just create everything for you, like log d in a debug mode, and a tag that is the main associated with the main activity, returns the method name full name concat called with first name, and here will be our variable will be declared, like what is the first name, that value is coming, comma, and then last name. And this you can see the magic, just using the forward, and I'm getting what I want in a good manner, like in a very efficient manner, in a formatted way. And just let assume that I want what the particular method is actually returning. So I want if I had taken the input, and I should see the output. So just press log r and enter. It automatically check what are the variable that is returning, and it will pass the name here. So you don't have to worry what is the return statement. You will copy that and then paste it. It will just associate everything of in dynamically manner. So your variable name and anything at, also it just precise vary that full cat coordinate name is called with and is returned. So you can easily diff what is the returning value and what is the incoming value and all. So there is a one more that is called in the exception. So just let me put this in a try catch block, and just pass control lt, and I will put it in try catch, and you can see. And there is a one more log statement is that wtf. Actually it is very funny, but it's this particular is like it accept a tag, a message, and a throwable. What is the throwable? Okay, so you can pass your any exception statement here, and you will just pass the e. and it will log that for you. Isn't it very interesting? So this is a for particular log statement, and you can use it in your daily scenario, and it is very helpful. And from the day I know this, and I really used to do this and all, it is a very helpful and very precise. So it will definitely save your time in that. And next we are dealing with the constants, like how to create a constant using live templates and all. And it is also very important, like if you are just want to write public static final string, so there is shortcut psfs and just a string, and you will like demo string, and you can write whatever you want here. This is cool. And there is one more, like psfi public static final integer, and it will like a demo int, and we will pass the value of 420. Interesting. Okay, so these are the thing that we regularly use in Android, and we are very much used to. But there is one more constant that is really important in Android, and we use it every time. Like when we used to diff between, like whenever we were passing the result code, sorry, request code, in on activity for result, we create that particular and pass any value integer and all. So there is shortcut for that. You will just type const and press enter. Okay, and just pass like camera request and press the tab to get out this particular red mark. So it will automatically generate a random number here. So just let me also create for the gallery request. So const, it will automatically declare gallery request. Press the tab. Okay, so it is automatically generating. So you don't if you want to change this number, you can change the number, but there is no need, because we are actually deal with this particular constant, so their value won't affect us because we will match with this effect. Okay, next our use is like when we want to put toast. So like whenever you put a toast, you pass a context message, and then what is the length and all in that. So the best easy thing is like just type tost toast, and this you can see. With this, just press the tab to get rid of this, and like whatever you want to write on create is called. Okay, so I will show you the one dynamic thing, like here it is using this because this scenario is get to constant, but whenever you are in using this in inner classes and all, it will use like main activity dot this. So I will just show you how to do this and how dynamically it will change. Here it is using this, and there it will be changed the way of context. And next is our like we want you if you I can show you the XML. Here it is a two button. One is for the button underscore hardcode, and the another is button underscore live templates. So let's jump in. First, let me initialize this particular using a shortcut. Like if you type FBC, it will first comes here because I had modified this. So you will type button underscore hardcode, then press the tab, go to the button, then again press the tab and button underscore hardcode. So how is it easy it is to use. Okay, so but again, like press the FBC button underscore live templates, press the button, and then button underscore live templates. So it is very easy to use and very frequent, and whenever you press the tab, it will go to the placeholder and placeholder. So just initialize like one btn for the hard code dot set on click listener new view the view on click listener. So this kind of thing is like you are writing every time and every time. So just create one live templates for this. So just select all of this and use Control Shift A and just type live, and you can see the second option, save as a live template. So just press enter over here, and you can see you can pass like And actually, this abbreviation is whatever you will type here in the code completion. You have to type this, and it will automatically populate this particular. And there is a description that is only for you what you want to describe in this. So just let me type button click, button click, and whenever I will type this in particular code, this particular code will get inserted. But we have to get rid of this, so we will just add a variable holder here. Just use dollar and type java id, and there is no, this is a variable, you can change it anytime, and you can be your choice. So just save it. Okay, and we will create next with this button click, and you can type button live templates and just use the tab, and it will automatically type everything for you. And the one thing, last thing, that is in this particular is like I want to explain for the toast, that you it uses here this. But if I will use toast here, toast, it will type main activity dot this. So this is the dynamic nature of this. So it is very great, and it is used just for the normal click listener and all. So the next is if we want to hide a particular view, so you just have to type gone and hit enter. And like if you want to hide a button click live templates, so it will get hide just using just few words. You are using everything that is required. Your import is get automatically imported, and your method is like written, and you have a right placeholder, like your cursor points to the place where you have to type, and using the tab you can move to the way other placeholder where you have to enter the value. So it is a very dynamic and very friendly, and you will just keep on practice and practice, and you will can use anything in that. Okay, and like one more, if you want to use a loop, so we use for loop and all this. So just use for I and press enter. It will automatically, you just have to put whatever the size you need. So you can have a plenty of choice of using this. So just create your ones and just play with it, and once you will get a practice, you will definitely use it in every time you whatever whenever you write the code. You can create a live templates of your own choice, so that it can help you in developing and all. So I hope you enjoy the particular video and really gain something in this video. So if you gain something and you like the video, please click the like button, comment your suggestions and all, and do subscribe the channel, because a lot of more funny things and major good things you will see. So just subscribe my channel and get notified for the particular video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.